Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and deactivate your credit card and have it not be charged on the PlayStation 5 so we can turn off auto-renew on the PlayStation app. So we're just signed in on our phone and you can see we're under this main page. And if we don't want our credit card charged, go over to the store. Then when this page loads, this is a very slow app now for some reason, we can go up to the three little lines. And under here we have subscription management. We can select that. And then at the bottom here we should be able to deactivate our subscription. So it says PlayStation Essentials 12-month. Current plan expires this date. Make sure there is an expiration date. Plan cancellation, your subscription will end on 1/06/2025 and won't be charged afterwards. So make sure it says reactivate subscription on the bottom. You can deactivate it right here by pressing that. So if I press reactivate, see what it says? It says I have to buy it again. I can change the plan if I want. I can cancel the subscription right here. And I won't get I won't get charged. So I can go to done now. And I can just verify I didn't actually go through with that. So let's go back to subscription management. Make sure there is a cancellation date. And it looks like it wants me to cancel it. So my credit card must be on my account, so let's go to cancel subscription. And I can cancel this. And boom. And done. Now my credit card won't get automatically charged. So I can go back here. It should say reactivate subscription. Perfect. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.